Hey everyone! Today we're diving into one of the universe's most mind-blowing mysteries, black holes. Black holes form when massive stars collapse under their gravity, creating a point of infinite density called singularity. But what does that even mean? Imagine squeezing all the mass of our sun into a space smaller than a city. That's a black hole. But there's more. The boundary around a black hole is called the event horizon. Once something crosses this line, it can never escape. Not even light. That's why they're called black holes. But wait, there's even more to this cosmic enigma. Did you know that black holes can actually zing? When two black holes collide, they create ripples in space-time called gravitational waves. Scientists can detect these waves and learn more about the universe. It's like the universe's own music. Now here's a mind-bending question. What happens if you fall into a black hole? Some theories suggest you'd experience a spaghettification, where the intense gravity stretches you out like spaghetti. Yikes! So, what do you think? Are black holes the ultimate cosmic vacuum cleaners? Or are they gateways to other dimensions? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and follow for more mind-blowing space facts. Until next time, keep looking up.